Hey guys, I've got a TEMU special here today. It's a solar powered spray head combination water fountain for your bird bath. I haven't got high hopes for this, but let's unbox it and give it a go. See if it's any good. Okay, so it doesn't have much instructions. Got your foam, got some attachments. Let's open this up and work it out. We have some straws and we have the device itself. No power switch, nothing that I can see. Okay, so how does this work? Do these go into the corners? That looks like it goes into the corners. It's the only place that these can go. I assume this is where I'm assuming this is where they push the water in, or I assume these straws suck the water in. I can feel the motor start to kick in. All right, so what do we do now? Okay, so let's put it in. Oh, there we are. Okay, so it does work. We put it under the water. It's trying to work. Oh, there we are. Okay, so it's probably just getting rid of the air first. All right, so what are these things here? These must be little attachments. Does this go onto here? And does this one go on top? No. Oh, that's cool. All right. Okay, so there must be different attachments for different oh wow, that's really cool. Okay. What's this one? Okay, let's try this one. I don't like that one. Let's go back to, what's this? I like this one. Yeah, that's the one. Okay. All right, so I like that one. All right, so I'll make sure these are on tight. But it's not doing too bad. Not bad for $12 on TEMU. How long it'll last, I don't know. We'll find out.